What's happening, people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have quite a satisfying project. So we have quite a lot of requests for live edge mirrors. This was sort of our idea that come out of nowhere. So where we make the tables, we end up with offcuts. And then from the offcuts we didn't know what to do with them, and a customer requested once we made their table, and ever since then we now do quite a lot of them. So I did start recording me joining the framework of the mirror, but I didn't press the button to record. Rookie mistake, I know, but I am a rookie. So I just need you to imagine that I've cut 8 45-degree angles and I've used 50mm dominoes, glued it and clamped it all together. Now I'm at the point where I'm just cutting the rebate out for the mirror to sit in. By the way, if you're enjoying the content, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. I've got a brand new project coming up soon, something that I guarantee you've never seen before in the woodworking world, so you won't want to miss this, so stick around. If you'd like to have a guess, leave a comment, but you'll never guess.